Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a promo code to the Postmates app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you came across a Postmates code and you want to go ahead and add it to the app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and click on to Postmates. And of course, you want to go ahead and acquire your code. Now, next, you're going to click on the profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner, so right over here. Now, on this page, you're going to go where it says promotions and click on promotions. And then as you can see here, I have some promo codes. But towards the top, this is where you're going to enter the promo code. So you're going to click on the promo code search bar and then enter your promo code and then click on add promo. Now, if you've successfully added your promo, you should be able to go ahead and see it over here. And you'll see that as an available promo. Now, in order to go ahead and use your promo, you need to make sure that the cart that you're ordering from does qualify on the promo. So this one says $20 off $25. This one says $20 off of $25, which means that your shopping cart needs to be above $25. So you can see here, if I go back to the home page, and let's go ahead and add some items to our cart. So we're just going to click on this restaurant here. We're going to add some items and now we're going to click on view cart. So as you can see right now, our total is 26. Click on no thanks. So now on this page here, where it says one promotion applied, 3 promos available, you're going to click on this option. And as you can see, we can't select these other promos, or we can select these other promos if you wanted to and click on done. And then you'll see that it's been applied. So the main thing with the promos though, is just make sure that your cart actually qualifies based on whatever the promotion is. Most of the time, it's a $25 and above promo. So just make sure that in your shopping cart that you're about to order, the total cost is above $25. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a promo code to the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.